Hello, this is Barry McCormick. Welcome to the BastilleBSD video series. Today we'll do another installment of our BastilleBSD short video series. The shorts are where we look at one individual Bastille command in depth, and today I'm going to look at the start command. If you look up on the screen, I have up the BastilleBSD website. Let's click on the documentation. Come down to the Bastille subcommands. Let's click on Start. The format is Bastille, Start, and a target. The options are, Bastille Start options and target. You only have 4 options. -B, respect gel boot setting. So if you have one that the boot setting is set to off, it won't boot it if you use the -B command. -D, a delay value to wait after starting each gel. -V, verbose, print every action on gel start. And -X, debug mode, which gives you copious amounts of output to figure out if something's going wrong. But what you need to know is Bastille Start, the name of a gel. Okay, move that out of the way. Here we have our console. Okay, I've got 5 gels there, and they're down. If I wanted to start Alcatraz, just Bastille Start Alcatraz. You'll see Alcatraz now has a state of up. Remember your targeting. We can also do Bastille Start, double quotes. I'll do Attica and Bastion. So you can put in double quotes a list of jails. Now then, you can always do Bastille Start All. It says, okay, Alcatraz, Attica, and Bastion are already running, and it starts the other 2. So they're all up and running. Let me stop them all right quick. Let me set one of their boot commands. Nope. Okay, you'll notice I turned Bastille's boot to off. They're all down. Now if I go Bastille Start -B all, notice that it did not start Bastion. It didn't even mention it. And see, since Bastion is set to boot off, when I use the -B, it didn't start it. Very useful if you have a gel you want to make sure it doesn't start. Let's say it's an old version or something that you need the gel around but don't want it running. You can still start the gel by just starting it. And notice I did V, and it gave you every single thing that it was doing. If I there's what -X gives you. It gives you every single command, exactly everything that's going on, which is very useful when you're trying to debug what's going on if something didn't go right. Go back to the Bastille. Bastille start options and target. That's all there is to the start command. Remember, you've only got 4 options. Boot, respect the boot setting. Oh, I didn't do a delay. Do 8 seconds. Started Alcatraz. Now it's going to wait 8 seconds. Now I'll do Attica. Wait 8 seconds. It starts them in alphabetical order. If you want them to start in a different order, look on the video that talks about boot and priority. There's a video where I go into great detail about the priority and how to set the priorities. To notice, like I said, it's taking 8 seconds in between each one to bring them all up. And I didn't use the -B. Sebastian was booted. So there they are all up. Again, Bastille start, options, target. Boot and delay, verbose, and debug. That's all there is to the start command. Hopefully today's video has been informative, and as always, happy computing.